today's video I will show you how to carve a turnip to make your home spooky for Halloween. Before starting, I just wanted to tell you that originally we did not carve pumpkins for Halloween, but it was actually turnips. So I decided to go for the historic way of celebrating Halloween this year, and I actually went all the way. So I actually already shared with you on Instagram those three little turnips. There is a face bat, because you can see a face and a bat. There is a regular spooky face, and Frankenstein, which I actually love. And you did as well, because those two ones on the poll I've created got the same number for making the tutorial about, and this one was only one vote less, so it was really close. So surprise, drumroll. In this video I will show you how to make Frankenstein, which actually also makes me think so much because they are really looking quite similar. In the original series from the 60s of the Addams Family of Lurch, and every time I see it I'm thinking you rang. Anyway, so without further ado, let's get to the tutorial. To do the Frankenstein and Halloween turnip candle, you will need a turnip. Obviously, you have various different varieties of turnips. Those ones are the traditional purple ones. The ones that are already done are golden turnips. And the ones I've used, well, I actually don't know the variety name of this one. But here the most important is that the color, you actually like the color, and the shape. The shape is really important. Also, you can have some anomalies on it, and it's actually what we are looking for, because it adds something to this Halloween spooky effect. A thick napkin so it doesn't slide away. sharp thingy out, and I also have some kind of like little stick, which will be really helpful as well because it's much thinner and so second eye is done. And then for the central part, the pupil, you remove the skin of the turnip so it looks more like an eye, and make a small hole inside for the iris. Okay, now the eyes and the nose are done, and we get to the mouth. So for the, you can see for the eyes a little hole I made. And here we are. So it's actually looking really creepy and spooky thanks to the damaged skin as well. It's really helping. And it's actually starting to look like a shrunk head, which I'm really fond of. It's looking really creepy. I really like it. For the mouse, you need to do a hole, but be careful not to remove the teeth area. Just make the hole, and then for the lips and teeth, you do it afterwards. Now we remove the skin, just like we did for the eye pupil, for the teeth. And now we get to the teeth parts. We try to define them just by making slight holes in there. This is half result, half done for the teeth. The top part is done. And now the bottom part for the teeth is done as well. Just a note, I will actually trim the teeth because the light is not going through enough. So here let's try with the candle. Yes, spooky as it is, it's looking good to me. And here is the final results. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you want some more content like this, don't hesitate to tell me in the comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much. Bye. The life of having cats, right? Bye. Alors, mon chéri.